Wow, hello, good morning. Welcome to Oya Kilome Talk. I understand that the world is being revolving around a particular shape called circle. And that brings me to my topic today. We are all connected directly or indirectly. That is to say, we are by every means or everything is connected to each other. The taxi driver that you are using tomorrow, you are connected to him. Your director that you've not met or the one that you are working with now, you are connected to him. You are connected to your dogs. You are connected to your cats. You are connected to everyone around you. Remember, your actions matters. Our actions today affect others. Every actions we are having today, I must tell you, has a lot to do to others. No matter how we try to deny this fact based on our religious knowledge and our mindset of selfishness, I must tell you the truth, we are all connected. We are all connected to each other. Okay? The world is connected. The rich needs the poor. The poor needs the rich. The politician needs the masses, needs their votes. The buyers need the seller, and the sellers need the buyer. Every of our thoughts, our feeling, and our actions today has something to do with our external world. What you are thinking right now for yourself, it has a ripple effect to others. So do those things that will affect others positively. Whenever you are thinking, try as much as possible to think things that will affect others likely positively. Okay? Now, listen. Do you know your cats, your dogs, your pets, your schoolmates, the one you've met before and the ones you are to meet, your employers, the bus driver, the hotel waiter or the restaurant guy that is selling things to you, you're connected directly or indirectly to them. Not by chance, but what I call divine oneness. God has created it that way. God has created every one of us that we are connected by one way or the other. The essence of this teaching, let me just tell you the truth, why I am trying to emphasize that we are all connected. The essence of this teaching is that everything we do has a ripple effect and affects not only us, but others as well. For example, for some of us who are in the European world here, people don't like giving blacks accommodations. Why? Because of some certain characters of some persons before now. Not these guys now, they are good. But because of the ripple of the negative effects before now, people no longer want to give help to some persons. People are scared of some certain tribe. Why? Because we should know that whatever we do today has a ripple effect tomorrow. Remember, we are all inseparable. We are all inseparable. We cannot be separated. We are connected. There's no way you can think about it. There's no other way. We are all connected. If we think good of others, by the time you start thinking good of others, they will likewise think good of you.